Hi everyone, we are from Megalaya. We have come all the way here for this exposition of the body of St. Francis. It is a privilege and it's a huge opportunity for us to be here because it's a blessing which we will take from here. And when we arrive here, the beauty of this cathedral, it makes us feel we are in heaven. It's feel very peaceful. So, and yes, at the same time also we have come to visit Goa, the city of churches, and we'll be visiting more and more church in Goa. But most importantly, this Basilica, it's like a blessing which we have taken this special privilege to come here, and especially at this very auspicious season of the exposition of the body. Thank you.